Good morning everyone. What we heard learn in the previous class ma? That is types of houses. Okay, why do we need a house? We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, cold, wind, rain and some wild animals also. So and then what we learn? Different types of houses also we will learn on the day. What are the different types of houses? There are two different types of houses. One is a pakka house and another one is a kacha house. There are two different types of houses. What are they? Pakka house and then kacha house. Bungalow, apartment and huts. These are all the permanent houses. And then next we have learned another two types of houses. Permanent houses and then temporary houses. Bungalow, apartment, hut. These are all the example of permanent houses. And then caravan, houseboat and then tent. These are all the temporary houses. And then what is a pakka houses? That cement, iron, steel and then bricks. These materials are used to make houses are called pakka houses. Okay, what are the materials are used in the pakka houses? Cement, bricks, iron and steel. These materials are used to make a pakka houses. And then wood, sand, bamboo and then stone. These things are used to make a kacha houses. A hut is an example of kacha houses. And then build apartment and the bungalow. This is an example of pakka houses. Okay. Today, now I teach about one riddle. Okay. Can you tell that answer for you? First I read the riddle. Above your house I will always stand. Above your house always stand. Like a crown, proud and grand. எல்லாரோட வீட்டுக்கு மேலேயும் நான் இருப்பேன், crown மாதிரி இருப்பேன், நல்ல grand crown மாதிரி இருப்பேன்னு சொல்லி. On you sunlight, rain and storm cannot fall. என்னெல்லாம் விழாது? Sunlight, rain, anything cannot fall. I am therefore one and all. I am therefore one and all. People make me in different shapes. People make me in different shapes. Sloping, flat and dome are some of my names. Can you guess who I am? Anybody guess who I am? I am a roof of a house. Okay, I am the roof of a house. Okay, today my topic is types of roof. First one, a roof is a important part of a house. Okay, that roof only protect the building. A roof is a important part of a house. It protects from rain, heat and then stray animals. So these things are protect us from our house roof. Next one, next we learn the types of roof. First one is a flat roof. Houses that are constructed in plains and dry areas. Plains, do you know plains? We are all living in plains. That சமவெளி பகுதிகள் சேமா இருக்கும், எல்லா ஃப்ளாட்டும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். So plains and then dry areas, ரொம்ப ஹாட்டான regionsல the peoples are built in flat roofs. Okay, that flat roofs helps always the house keep cool. People live in dry areas. They construct flat roofs. Flat roofs helps keep the house cool. Okay, that first one is a flat roof. People live in the dry place or the plain areas. Houses are constructed in flat roofs. Okay, how to build the flat roof? Can you see that flat roof? In our areas, most of the buildings are in flat roofs. Okay, the roofs are flat. ஒரே சமமா இருக்கும் சரியா. So this is a flat roof. People are live in the dry places or plain areas. Already that area is very hot. So that flat roof helps to keep the house cool. So that area people they are all built in a flat roofs. Okay, and the next one is a slanting or sloping roofs. In hills areas, the Kodaikanal and Ooty, these are all the hill stations. Okay, that areas, so that is very cold places. In this area where it rains a lot, most of the time rains and then snows are occupy that areas. So in that area, people build in a slanting or sloping roofs. Okay, the houses that are in slanting or sloping roofs. It helps to that slanting or sloping roofs, they allow rainwater or snow to slide down easily. ஏன் slanting roofs இவங்க build பண்றாங்கன்னா அவங்க அந்த ஏரியால ஹில் ஸ்டேஷன்ல எப்பவுமே கோல்டா இருக்கும், நல்ல பனி மூட்டமா இருக்கும், இல்ல ரொம்ப கூலா இருக்கும், அதர்வைஸ் அடிக்கடி மழை பெய்யும் ரெயின். So that is that people are they need warm houses. Okay, அவங்க எனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கணும், நல்லா வார்மா இருக்கணும்ங்கிறதுக்காக they are the snows or rain water or easily slide down on the ground. ஈஸியாக ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப்னா என்ன பண்ணும், தண்ணி பட்டுச்சுன்னா டக்குன்னு கீழே இறங்கி விழுந்துடும். ஸோ பீப்புள்ஸ் ஆர் பில்டிங் அ ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப்ஸ். இன் ஹில்ஸ் ஏரியாஸ் houses that are have houses that are have slanting or sloping roofs. Slanting or sloping roofs, they allow rainwater or snow to slide down easily. இன்னும் என்ன செய்யும், மழை தண்ணியோ ஸ்னோவோ படிச்சுன்னா சீக்கிரம் அதில் வந்து தங்கி இல்லாமல் கீழே விழுந்துடும். Okay, and then next one is a round shape roof. Next one is a round shape roof. Already you know, in the polar regions, people live in igloo. Okay, in the polar region people live in igloo. So igloo is has round or arched roof. Igloo roofs are round or arched roof. It is generally the shape of a dome. It's also help to keep the house warm. Okay, so already you know that polar region very cold areas, so that people need a warm house, so that only they are all build a igloo. In polar region people live in people building igloo. Sorry, people live in igloo. That igloo is a round shape It is round or dome, round or arched roof. It is generally keep the house warm. It is generally the shape of dome. ஒரு கூண்டு மாதிரி இருக்கும் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு. Shape of, it helps to keep the house okay. And then round shape roof. In polar region people live in igloos. It's a round or arched roof. Okay, it's igloo is look like that arch. Okay, round or arched roof. It's generally the shape of a dome. It helps helps to keep the house warm. Okay, that the house is also keep warm. Okay, first one, that a slanting roof. First I draw the slanting roof. Listen. This is a slanting roof. So this roof is easy to they allow to easily slide down on the snow or rainwater. Don't store on the roof. Okay, malayo snow அங்க store ஆகாது. பட்டோனே என்னவாயிரும் ஈஸியா கீழ விழுந்துரும். So that only they are all built in this type of roof. Okay, next one, that round shape roof. Already you know, that is the igloo. Okay, it looks like an arch. Now we have learned three types of roofs. First one is a flat roof, slanting roof. Another one is a round shape roof. First one is a flat roof. People live in dry or plain areas. People live in they construct in a flat roof. Okay, it helps to keep the house cool. Okay, the flat roofs helps the house to keep cool. Next one is a slanting or sloping roofs. It in hills areas, houses that are built in a slanting or sloping roofs. They allow rainwater or snow to slide down easily. This is a slanting roof. Next one is a round shape roof. In polar region, people live in igloos. It's a round or, that igloo is a round or arched roof. It helps to keep the house warm, and then it's generally in the shape of dome. Can you clear this topic? Yes. Next one, a clean home. How to keep our home clean. Next one is the clean home. Okay, we should keep our house clean to protect ourselves from falling sick. Okay, நம்மளோட house நம்ம நீட்டா நம்மளோட வீட்டையும் வீட்டை சுற்றி இருக்கிற பிளேஸையும் நீ சுத்தமா வச்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா என்ன ஆகாது, sick ஆகாம we protect ourselves. Okay, we should keep our house neat and clean to protect ourselves from falling sick. And then here some ways to how to keep our house clean. Listen. We should help our parents to keep clean the house. We should help our parents to keep clean the house. You must clean our house daily. We must sweep our house daily. And then don't throw waste here and there. Don't throw waste here and there. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Dustbin should always be covered to keep the flies away. Okay, dustbin should be always covered to keep the flies away. After eating, clean the table, and then our toilet. We should always clean our toilet, bathroom, wash basins regularly, and then wash the utensils after use to avoid flies and cockroaches. Whenever you have finished eating, you take and clean the vessels. Next one, we should grow the plants near our houses. Clean our house. Clean our house regularly, and then don't throw waste here and there. We should throw garbage in dustbin. Dustbin should be covered. A dustbin should always be covered and to keep flies away. And then next one, clean the table after the lunch. And then wash the utensils after use. To avoid flies and cockroaches. Okay, can you clear these steps more? And then next one, we should grow plants near our house. There are these steps you have. You also keep your home clean. Okay, you should follow your home. We should keep our help our parents to keep clean the house, and then clean our house regularly. Don't throw waste here and there. We must sweep our house daily. Sweep means what? Kutradhu. Okay, we must sweep our house daily. We should throw garbage in dustbin. Don't throw waste here and there. A dustbin should always be covered and to keep flies away. Clean the table after the lunch, and then wash the utensils after use to avoid flies and cockroaches. Next one, we should grow plants near our house. Okay, we should keep our surroundings clean. We have our house also neat and clean. Okay, I hope we should keep our house clean and neat. Next one, question time. Okay, already we have finished this lesson. I am asking some questions. Fill in the blanks. Houses made of stones, cement, iron and bricks are known as what type of house? That is Pakka house. Houses made of stones, cement, iron and bricks are known as a Pakka house. P-U-C-C-A, Pakka house. P-U spell the word Pakka. P-U-C-C-A, Pakka house. Next one is a building with many stories is known as a dash building. A building with many stories is known as a dash building. multi-storied. Spell the word multi-storied. M-U-L-T-I, multi-storied. S-T-O-R-E-Y-E-D, multi-storied. Once again, a building with many stories. Building mele mele irukum. Another one name is what? That is apartment. Okay. A building with many stories is known as a multi-storied building. Next question is, houses that are attached to the ground are known as dash houses. Houses that are attached to the houses, fixed to the ground. So that is what? That is a permanent houses. That is a permanent house. Spell the word permanent. P-E-R-M-A-N-E-N-T. Permanent. Once again, spell the word permanent. P-E-R-M-A-N-E-N-T. Permanent houses. Houses that are attached to the ground are known as a permanent houses. A single or double story house with a lawn is in front of it, that is known as a bungalow. Already you know, a single or double story house with a lawn is known as bungalow. Spell the word bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. Once again, spell the word bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. Once again, I have read the fill in the blanks. I shall read the fill-ups. Houses made of stones, cement, iron and bricks are known as Pakka house. Are known as Pakka house. A building with many stories is known as a multi-story building. A building with many stories is known as a multi-story building. Next one, houses that are attached to the ground are known as permanent house. P-E-R-M-A-N-E-N-T, permanent house. A single or double story house with a lawn is known as a bungalow. Spell the word bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. Next one is, answer the following questions. That is the first question. Write any two materials that are, this is a third question. This one is the fourth question. Already in the previous topic I had given two questions. First and second question already I had given. This is third and fourth question. Write any two materials that are used for making a kacha house. Any two materials, okay. Materials required for making a kacha house are mud, straw, wood, stones and bamboo. எதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி பண்ணுறாங்க கச்சா ஹவுஸ்? மட்டு, சாண்டு, ஸ்டோனு அண்ட் தென் ஸ்ட்ரா. ஸ்ட்ரான்னு என்னம்மா, இந்த வைக்கோல், அந்த ஓலை இதெல்லாம் சேர்த்து. ஸ்ட்ரான்னா வைக்கோல் அந்த மாதிரி ஐட்டத்தை வச்சு கட்ஸ் தே ஆர் ஆல் made of bamboo. Materials required for making kacha houses are mud, stone, wood and then bamboo. Next one, why is a roof important for a house? Why is the roof important for a house? A roof is important for a house because it protects the occupants from stray animals and extreme weather. House மட்டும் building மட்டும் இருந்தனாக்கி ஓகேயா? நோ, ரூஃப் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். அதுதான் என்ன செய்யும், நம்மளை ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணுது. மழையோ வெயிலோ காற்றோ அடிக்காமல் the roof is protected. That is a very very important part of a house. A roof is important for a house because it protects the occupants from stray animals and extreme weather. Can you clear these questions? First one, write any two materials that are used for making a kacha house. Wood, bamboo, straw, sand. These materials are used to make a kacha houses. Materials required for making a kacha house are mud, stone, straw and bamboo. Next one, why is a roof important for a house? A roof is important for a house because it protects the occupants from stray animals and extreme weather. Can you clear this topic, ma? It's okay. Today's homework, learn and write fill in the blanks in lesson 3. Okay, today's homework is what? Learn and write, fill in the blanks in lesson 3. All of you write the, do the homework and send through the Zoho app. Thank you, students.